In this video, I'll be showing you how to upload photos in Google Drive and share them with a link. So first, by going to your browser, you'll search for Drive and then log in with your Google account in it. Now to upload photos, you'll click on plus new at the top left corner and click on File Upload. You'll select the file you want to upload. It will be start uploading. Now after it's uploaded, it will appear on your drive. You'll click on more actions over here and click on share. You can change the access from restricted to anyone with the link, and then you'll copy the link and can share it with whomsoever you want to. And that's quite it. Your photo is uploaded and shareable through a simple link, perfect for quick collaboration or sharing with friends.